Oh, hello there. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is Brett Jones spamming a video all over Facebook again? Is Brett Jones ever going to release this silly music he's been talking a big game about? Is Batman the hero that Gotham needs? Or is he the hero that Gotham deserves?
Why was Brett Jones peering at me through my window last night?
Does Nickelodeon still air reruns of Are You Afraid of the Dark? And what if the terrorists really win? Lucky you. Hi.
Brett Jones.
No, dude.
What?
Plan on answering very few of those questions for you today.
Seriously, I legitimately don't know what to do. I'm very terrified and I feel like I should call the police.